Troy here with Dirt Road Dancing, and today we're going to teach you one of the funnest ones out in the club. It's a super easy, super beginner 32 count dance called Church Clap, done to the same song, Church Clap. So if you're ready to learn the tutorial, let's go. Otherwise, don't forget, hey, down below, there's that subscribe button. Make sure you click on it so you're notified about all the great dances we do when we release them. All right, guys, let's learn. All right, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what my boots are doing. All right, first 8 counts, pretty simple. We're gonna take a right foot, we're gonna step out on 1, hold 2. You can do a little wiggle with it, so you can go 1, 2, all the weight ends up on that right. Then you're gonna move back onto your left foot for 3, hold 4. From here, you're gonna take your right foot and step back for 5, hold 6. Then you're gonna step forward with your left foot for 7, and then you're gonna quarter turn 8. And when you do, you're gonna bring that right foot together. So I'm gonna show that kind of from here. So we go on the right foot, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, step 7, turn 8. All right, so let's do that again. Kind of keep to the tempo, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here's the best part about this dance. The second set of 8 counts is the exact same thing as the first set of 8 counts, only we're facing our new wall. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to take it facing me, and then I want you to turn to your left. And now we're gonna do it again. Again, we're gonna step out with the right foot for 1, hold 2, left, 3, hold 4, step back, hold 5, then step with your left, quarter turn into 8. Okay, first set of 16 counts, super simple. It's the same 8 counts twice. So let's go through that together. We're gonna do that twice, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, step, 7, quarter turn, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, step, quarter turn. All right, now we're into the third set of 8 counts. Now this is where the fun starts beating, because this is when the chorus and the energy really starts picking up. So the way we're gonna do this is what we call double timing. So instead of 1 and 2 and 3, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll explain how that goes. So I'm gonna face this direction so you can get the motion down, and then we'll talk about how the wall switch. Okay, so you completed your slow rolls, you did your final turn here. Now we're going to double time, and the energy of the song has kicked up. So we're gonna bounce twice to the right for 1, 2. Then we're gonna bounce to our left for 3, 4. Then bounce back for 5, 6. Then we're going to step, high kick, clap, and do your quarter turn. I know it's hard to do slow, so we're gonna kind of go through it again. So again, when we go over it, it's gonna be 5, 6, 7, double time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on that 8, as you clap underneath, you're gonna do your quarter turn, and we're gonna do it again. All right, so now let's put all of those counts together, those 3 sets of 8 counts. Now I know what you're probably thinking already. Can he kick any higher? Look, hamstrings are kind of hurting, it's kind of tiring, but trust me, when the music comes on, that leg's gonna get up there, maybe a little bit higher, maybe not. You'll see in the Stomp It Out video, we'll see how it goes. All right, so let's put those 3 sets together. So with this, again, we're starting slow first on the single time. 5, 6, 7, right foot, right, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, forward, turn, right, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, double time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Told you I could get a little bit higher. Okay, that is pretty much the entire dance. Now, how you do it is what's important. Basically, what you're gonna do is those slow moves, you're gonna do 2 sets of those, so 2 walls. And then the double times, you're gonna do those in 4 walls. So I'm gonna show you through that one time through, and then you're gonna see how it looks totally in the Stomp It Out video. But it goes to the music. So as long as you're listening to the energy of the song, you'll know when to switch back and forth between the slow and the double times. Even when there's an alarm that goes off with your partner when we're talking about things. But it's okay because it's not quite live and I can probably edit it, but I may leave it in. All right, let's get going. All right, so from here, we're gonna do it all the way through one full revolution. Slow rolls first. 5, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, again. Right, 1, 2, left, 3, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, double taps, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and slow, and slow. All right, guys, now you know the entire dance, and did I tell you, it is super fun, right? It's time to get out and do it on the club, but before you can, you gotta dance it out with us once. So make sure you click on that link in the upper right side. It's gonna take you to the Stomp It Out video where you can dance out with us. Thanks, guys.